Hello everyone. Our today's topic is wrapper class in Java. The wrapper class in Java provides the mechanism where the primitive objects into where primitive objects are turned into the objects and objects into the primitive types. Since autoboxing and unboxing features are the features where the primitive changes into objects and objects into primitive. The automatic the conversion of the primitive into objects is known as autoboxing, and vice versa where the object is turned into primitive is called as unboxing. Use of wrapper class in Java is the object oriented programming language. We need to deal with the objects mainly like collections, then serialization, synchronization, etc. Let's consider the different scenarios where we need to use the wrapper class. First of all, while changing the values in method, Java supports only call by values. If you pass the primitive value, it will not change the original value, but it will convert the primitive value into the object and it will change the original value. Then in serialization, when we need to convert the objects into the string to perform the serialization, we need to have the primitive value. In this, the object through the wrapper class is passed by the reference. Then synchronization. In Java, the synchronization works with the objects in multi-threading. Then java.package. In this, the utility class to deal with the objects where the wrapper class is needed. Then the wrapper class also needed in collection framework. In this, the objects framework works with objects only. All classes of collection frameworks like array list, vector, hash list, link hash list, etc. are deal with the objects only. Next we will discuss about the auto boxing. The automatic boxing where the primitive data type is correspondingly wraps into the wrap class is known as auto boxing. For example, byte to byte, then char to character, int to integer, long to long, etc. These were some examples where auto boxing is used. Since Java 5, we do not need to use the value of methods of wrapper class where primitive into objects is changed. Then unboxing. In this, where the wrapper class is object and it is corresponding change into the primitive type. This is known as unboxing. It is the versus process of auto boxing. Since Java 5, we do not need to use the int value method to wrap the classes where the wrapper class type into the primitive types. These were some information about the wrapper class. Thank you.